hormone replacement therapy and still struggle with sleep and wake up really fatigued and this lasts throughout the whole day? If so, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Val, an integrated sleep medicine physician, and here today to discuss 3 reasons why you can still be tired even though you're on hormone replacement therapy and it's supposed to help your sleep. Well, many women, especially those who are in midlife, are balancing things like work, family, and personal commitments and often find themselves short on time. Hormone replacement therapy is super helpful as it can help maybe lead to less anxiety and less stress and even really control those hot flashes. But something to keep in mind is, are you giving yourself enough time to sleep? For adults, this means somewhere between 7 to 8, even 7 to 9. When you don't give yourself enough time for sleep, your body and your mind really don't get a chance to fully recharge. Aim for at least 7 hours, but if you're getting less than 6, I always say start small. Give yourself an extra 10-15 minutes a night and then see if you can get close to 7 as possible. Remember, it's not just about quantity, quality also is key. So if you do have a hard time winding down and feel like your mind is just racing and racing, this is another reason why you may still feel really tired if you are getting that 6 to 7 or 7 to 8 hours of sleep. One thing to keep in mind is that when you sleep, your brain waves slow down. Hormone fluctuations can lead to anxiety and racing mind. I think of going through perimenopause and menopause as really maybe just an augmentation of things that may have not been apparent previously, or things maybe just get worse. If you already have a little bit of anxiety every now and then and find yourself having more anxiety as you go through this phase, completely common. Try incorporating a wind down routine. I always encourage people I work with to have the last hour of the day for yourself. What does that mean? Well, figure it out what works best for you. Maybe it's journaling, maybe it's listening to relaxing music, maybe it's starting that yoga routine that you've always wanted to do. Find a way to stay calm, stay at peace, and if you can do this at night, great. It doesn't have to be at night. Something I recommend is just setting aside 2 minutes a day to do all that thinking. Set aside a worry time, and after a week or even 2 weeks, you will start to notice yourself feeling more calm and more peace at night. The last reason, and the third one, that may be disrupting your sleep and your energy levels during the next day, even though you are on a hormone replacement therapy, is an underlying medical sleep condition. Being a medical sleep doctor, I see this so commonly in women above 40, especially women above 50, is untreated obstructive sleep apnea. And I can't emphasize this enough. As we get older, our muscle tone relaxes and our airway gets more floppy, specifically the tongue. When that happens, you can develop snoring and obstructive sleep apnea. They're along the spectrum. Snoring is partial collapse of the airways, sort of like whistling, and sleep apnea is more complete closure. When this happens, your brain is constantly telling you to wake up and breathe. And if this happens at least 5 times an hour or greater from a sleep test, that's obstructive sleep apnea. So if you do think you may have some of these symptoms, go talk to your doctor about it, about getting a sleep test. Some of the symptoms include snoring, gasping, and choking, waking up unrefreshed. For women, waking up to urinate, even waking up with dry mouth or headaches, and feeling really exhausted throughout the day. Another medical sleep condition that may be disrupting your sleep is restless leg syndrome, or even circadian rhythm issues. Maybe you're going to bed too early and you're really more of a night owl. Restless leg syndrome is a condition where you have an uncomfortable sensation in your legs that can keep you from falling asleep. All right, ladies, I hope you found these videos helpful. If you are on a hormone replacement therapy and you are getting better sleep, great. However, if you aren't, there may be some things to look at and need to be adjusted within your life. Hope you found this video helpful, and until next time, ladies, sleep well. If you want to learn more about women's sleep health and full living, please subscribe to our newsletter. It's called the Sleephoria Insider, and the link is below.